Meals with Marcia. Today I want to share a recipe with you, and it is Hawaiian chicken salad. I'm excited to show you this, so let's get started. There are so many different varieties that you can make in chicken salad. I have a classic that I make that's very simple. It's mayonnaise, mustard, and sweet cubes, salt, seasoned salt, pepper. So good on croissants. Now this would probably be great on croissants too, what I'm about to show you, but I'm a huge pineapple fan. And I wanted to try this. This is the very first time I'm trying this, but it sounds amazing. Now, I'm using canned chicken today. That's what I had, and you can use canned chicken, or you can boil your own chicken, or you could use rotisserie chicken, you know, just so many different options. But I'm using 2 of the 12.5 ounce cans of the, sorry, this has still got the thing on it, the chunked chicken breast. And I have drained it. I'm gonna pour that in there, and it comes out in chunks. And I just take my hands and just kind of shred it up. It's just gonna fall apart when you do that. Now this is a kind of a salty chicken because it is canned. So the recipe calls for salt and pepper. We're gonna be doing very little salt, but we'll do some black pepper and just a little bit of salt. But anyway, just take your hands and get all that crumbled up in there, or you can use a fork if you don't like to use your hands. I am using my hands today because those are the tools God gave me, and you know, they're clean and I'm gonna use them. All right, now, the next thing you need is a purple onion. Now, I had a very large, it calls for half a purple onion, but it was large, so I just did a 1/4 of that purple onion. And I used my little mini food processor because I like to mince my onions up very fine. And then I have 1 stalk of celery, and I did the same thing. I put that in my food processor and minced it up. So there's that. And then I have about 5 to 6 ounces of pineapples. I have chunks, and then I cut them smaller and maybe more like tidbits. But now the recipe calls for crushed pineapple, but I did not have that. So I just improvised. I didn't go buy a special thing for this because I thought, well, pineapple is pineapple. And I used about 5 or 6 ounces of it, and I had a 20-ounce jar, so I'll just put those up and I'll eat on those later. All right, let's put some pepper in here. Quite a bit of black pepper, because I love black pepper. And I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. I always have to hit the side of my salt because I use sea salt and it's kind of moist. See if I can get that cleaned off there. Just a few little dashes, not much. And then we're going to do some slivered almonds, and it calls for like a 1/2 cup, and I think I've got like a 1/4 cup, but that's okay. I'm just gonna do what I have left. It's gonna give a little crunch to it. This sounds really, really good to me. And sometimes you can add a little lemon juice into your chicken salad, and it's good too. I don't know, we'll see how it tastes when I do it. I didn't get the lemon juice out, but, and then I'm going to be doing a third to 2/3 cup of mayonnaise, your favorite kind. I'm gonna start out with a 1/3, see what that looks like, and then I'll add more if I need to. And that's a 1/3 right there. I probably will need more because that's not very much. Of course, there's some juice in the pineapple. Let me stir this up. Probably gonna need 2/3 cup because it's quite a bit of chicken. Those 2 cans make quite a bit. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to have some more mayo. Yeah, let me get me some more mayo. I do love chicken salad. I love all kinds of varieties. I know people go to the chicken salad chick all the time and get all the different variety chicken salad. And it's delicious. I've ate there before. But you know, sometimes I like to make stuff at home, especially if I already got the ingredients and I can just whip it up and save me a little money at the cash register there. All right, let's see here. Yeah, I think that, so 2/3 cup mayonnaise is going to work for these 2 cans of chicken. Now, it calls for 2 pounds of chicken breast. I don't have quite 2 pounds in here because there's just 12 ounces, so that's 24 ounces. So I'm a little shy of having that much. Let's try, let's see if I can try this and see if it needs anything else. This looks delicious. I wish I had some more almonds, but I don't. I love slivered almonds and stuff. I think it gives it a good crunch and a good taste, and they're very good for you. That's delicious. I think I need some more pineapple, to be honest. I think I'm gonna put some more pineapple in there. Get my knife. Here it is. Got it right here. I'm gonna put some of that pineapple. Some more of that pineapple up in there. Well, if I can get my finger working right. There we go. Just gonna cut them in half. It'll be all right. The more pineapple, the merrier for me. It's got a great taste. I think it needs probably just a smidge more salt too. I didn't put much because, like I said, I was worried because the chicken was canned. I didn't want too much salt, but I do think I need some salt, some more salt in there. Let me stir it up. Now my husband will not eat this. He's not going to touch this. He does not really like chicken salad. He likes my original chicken salad recipe that I make, where you, where I was telling you about earlier with the croissants. Oh yeah. Pineapple's so good. So good. Now you could eat this on a cracker. You could eat it by itself, or you could eat it on a croissant. There you go. Hawaiian chicken salad. And I think you could probably do a little bit of that lemon juice and make it taste fresh. Maybe we should try that. Hang on one second, let me grab it. All right, here's my lemon juice. Yes, I buy the kind in the pack here. I usually buy the little ones, but anyway, I'm gonna do a little squirt in there. Maybe a teaspoon. And stir that up. And I'll taste it again. Now this has got a good base right here. Tweak it up a little bit, make it, probably put some fresh parsley in there if you wanted. I need a fork this time. I keep getting a spoon, like I'm a baby. Gosh, that pineapple is so good in there. Lemon juice kind of topped it off. That's great, y'all. All right, Hawaiian chicken salad. Try it. I'm gonna use this spoon right here. I made a mess. I dirtied up half the kitchen, but it was worth it. It was good. All right. All right, there you have it. Hawaiian chicken salad. Guys, if you enjoyed this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Meals with Marcia. And don't forget that everything you need and how to make this is going to be in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.